What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on. Very hard to predict how they're going to do, especially in this market, and feels like a lot of NFTs in price are just going down. We're not going to go into details, but you can check OpenSea and other marketplaces that a lot of even blue chip projects are just dropping in price. So it's very hard to predict, especially new collection. But I'm gonna keep my eye on, hopefully get a whitelist spot and maybe a quick flip if it's gonna go well on secondary market. But before we shoot the project, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project, it's called FAKTS Trends, and it's a free mint 999 NFT collection. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent engagement on their Twitter post, so this is one of them that I'm gonna keep my eye on. They have a Discord and they have a link tree. And then the second project, it's called Bitcoin Monks. At the time of recording this video, they have 18,000 followers. If we scroll down, they have a Discord, and then you can DM for collaboration. You can join their Discord, and as you can see, they're getting decent engagement also on their Twitter post, but I think this one is due to the premium link. This is probably part of the requirement. So this is another one. I think it has a good potential, and this collection looks like it's going to be 2121, so 2121 NFT. And then the last project, it's called Rein Awakening, and it's a free mint. At the time of recording this video, they have 78,000 followers and they're open for collab. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, like this post was like all the way from February, got quite a bit of engagement, but again, this is due to the premium link. They have their Discord, and you can just go through their website and see what is this project is about. And looks like this is a game platform, and it's going to be like an in-game assets or something like that. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about in this video, I'm going to leave links in the description below, and thanks for watching.